So I did not close. I did not lock.
Introdução no rádio, 107, quem quiser. What did they eat today? Morning time. Dinner.
Today Ekadashi? No.
No. I mean there in this Prabhat Ferry, after this, what do they eat generally?
General prasad.
Normal? Nothing special?
Yeah? As a Mahaprabhu today. Udila Uruna Purava Bhagi. Dijamani Gora. Amani Jal.
Tradução 107, português.
Still raining, no? Little. Drizzling. Dropping. Yeah. Sarve bhavantu sukhino. What did he say? Sarve bhavantu sukhino. Sarve santu niramayam. Sarve bhadrani passantu. Ma kaschit dukha bhaga bhavit. Sarve bhavantu sukhino. May everybody be happy. Sukhi mani happy. Sarve santu niramayam, and everybody become free from all kinds of distress and disease. Sarve bhadrani pasyantu, and all you always be see the auspiciousness. Or ma kushchi dukha bhaga bhavit. And don't you see anybody become unhappy? That means everybody become happy. Actual, what is the inner meaning about this verse? Sarve bhavantu sukhino. How will become happy? How will become happy? If you do bhajan sadhan to Krishna, without Krishna bhakti, no one get happiness. This is true. So sarve bhavantu sukhina. Sarve santu niramaya. Everybody free from all kinds of distress, rog se mukta. And all you free from the all kinds of rog means disease. Rog mukta. Jivas, what kinds of disease? That is called entangled with Maya. That is called Adhantik, Adibhautik and Adidaidik. So for this regard, we are suffering. So for this, we are saying, Sarve Santu Niramaya. All you become free from all kinds of disease. What is the disease of jivas? Conditional jiva, that is called lust and anger. Krodha and kama. Kama iso, krodha iso, rajoguna, samudbhava. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, lust and anger coming from the mayas and what do you call? Tamaguna and Rajaguna. So, Tamaguna jabe, Sataguna pabe, Hoibe Krishna Das. Krishna Das Radhika Das. Here in this part, Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Tamaguna jabe, Sataguna pabe, Hoibe Krishna Das. When our Tamaguna will be removed from our heart, that time we will become the servant of Krishna. But even the Sattva-guna will stay also not, because Sattva-guna is the mood of goodness. Also creates this world. The entanglement with the material sense gratification. So sometimes I told one very nice, beautiful story. Once, one Sethji means wealthy person. And Sethji, you remember who is he? Fala, what did he say? You listen or not? Your mind is going on here. What did he say? Fala.
One time one Sethji.
Sethji means?
Rich man.
Rich man, wealthy person. Yeah. So he had one very nice, beautiful daughter. One daughter. So for this regard, the Sethji, hey, what did you do? Are you no far? Everybody far. Listen. And everybody for far, not close together. You have to follow the COVID-19. No any compassion. Understand? And no any mercy. Because now they think, oh, I am very close to you. No. You have to keep distance. Understand? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in this way teaching to us how and practice separation. Understand? Keep distance and chant holy names. This is very important. Chalo. What did I say?
Rich man with his daughter.
Follow.
Rich man had a daughter.
The rich man had very nice, beautiful daughter. So that rich man, he arranged his daughter's marriage ceremony and spent lot of money. Indian people, they also spent lot of money in their daughter's marriage ceremony. And maybe she has seen or not. Here also maybe, I don't know.
Not as much as the...
Not much. They are going to church. Their marriage ceremony, then eating and finished. But Indian marriage ceremony and another style. Understand? Indian marriage ceremony means another style also. And big party. Not only parties. They also bride, what is called? Bridegroom. Gents, Gents seated on the back of the horse. Nice, beautiful black horse. And this horse is small. This is not. This is baby horse.
Baby horse.
Understand? Or that horse, they also had big horse. And bridegroom seated on the back of the back horse. And that time, and thousand people also, and behind him, front him, and also many kinds of music. Have you seen? Sometimes Mathura when you think, big party going or not?
Yeah.
Have you seen?
Like procession.
Like big procession, and dancing, singing, and all the also are very nice, beautiful ornament, gorgeous, and silken cloths, and very attractive. And especially night time they can make generators, electricity, many kinds of also the duties. Okay. So I am saying because that wealthy person or rich man, he arranged his daughter's marriage ceremony on a big park. Understand? And they also that big park also build very nice, beautiful building. Understand? Of the building.
With the pandal, no?
With the pandal. If you see, then you night time you think, oh, here, how possible the 10 stories per pandal has come here? Understand? Especially in front of our Delhi Mott, Ram Maidan, there, they also build. And next day morning, nothing. Understand? The storage very nice, beautiful, decorated with cloths, I don't know, and many kinds of these. Decorated. If you see, take picture, as like big royal palace. Okay, and he also covered the whole area with a nice cloth. No one can enter. Only invited special guests they can come. He built there the palace 3 stories. Understand? First storage only general guest will come. Second storage special guest will come. Third what is called? Storage, those who are VIP. Understand? Very valuable guest, and as like the level of minister, prime minister, these types of people. Understand? And everybody have to check, also, security checked. Not easy to enter. Very. Nowadays also security checked, also what is called electronic machine. And you are that person and can put your fingerprint. Everybody cannot go out. Fingerprint, you are same person or not, then your name will come. Because inside also they have lot of what do you call, valuable things also. You understand this? Otherwise, thief or others will be very easy to go and enter and showing the what is called gun. They will take robber. They will rob. For this regard, he also arranged this. Only invited guests they will come, and those name and electronic fingerprints. This thing. And very nice beautiful. The nice beautiful and many types of also entertainment also there. Understand? Dancing, singing, and also many kinds of delicious food. Understand? About 200 and preparation. Cooked traveled with me, went joined with me?
Bhuj.
Bhuj.
Yeah.
And Gujarat, just where we were staying last time.
Yeah.
And behind also there.
Big,
Have you seen it? No?
yeah, big party.
Big party. And also the pandit inside there. This is the rice, dal, chapati, and you go eventually. Understand? What you want and go. Take your plate and you can take. And rasgulla and different types of sweets. And 100 types of sweets. 100 types of sabji, 100 types, everything. You cannot imagine and what kinds of the preparation, delicious food. Understand? Because this is the party of his minister level party. Minister level party means his words. All the money is coming from black market. You understand? And their minister, he did not spend one penny for his own pocket. Understand? Many kinds of these are black market money.
Yeah, black money.
Black money are there. Otherwise, how possible one person spent a lot of money from his own pocket? This is not true. Is it true or not? Try it. We saw noticed, when because we did Bhagavad Saptaha and there, we are living also there, just behind our door, and very nice, beautiful place also, and whole night many kinds of lightning going also there, understand, and music.
Live music.
You remember, whole night they are celebrating this. Okay, so 3 dogs came. One is called tamasic dog, and another rajasic dog, and another sattvic dog. 3 dogs. They came. But they are thinking, then they meet together, they are talking each others. You what will do? Nowadays, COVID-19 is going on. Very difficult to get the food. Understand? Government helping, but those who are stupid nonsense people, they corrupted. Understand? Chal churi, dal churi, or korchu churi tel. Hajar look morche tomar naiko akkel. They are singing also this song. Now COVID-19 is going on. People also, they have no food. Because everything completely what? Lockdown. So people have no work, no job, no food. Especially those who are every hand to mouth, money, every day working, getting money. But now lockdown, no work. Especially those who are rickshaw wala, and those who are, what is called?
Market.
Selling some samosas, these things. No one coming out from the house because government very strictly prohibited. No one can go out from the house. Actually, curfew jari. Understand? When you are staying in Mathura, you are staying in Mathura?
When?
After Godpani, when we return back?
Sounds like it.
You know? Everywhere police guarding, no one. And if you, without reason, if you go, then police bitterly beat you. Understand? Everything is completely closed. But government is saying, okay, we are giving to rice, dal, sabji to in your house. Government arrange very nice things. But some stupid nonsense people, they also not distribute. They are keeping their own pocket. For this regard, this song, people are singing, dal chori, they are also stealing the dal coming from government. Chal chori, they are also stealing the rice which is coming from government. And they also stealing the oil which is coming from government. So they are singing dal chori, chal chori, karcha chori, tel. हजार हजार लोग मरছে नहीं तुम्हारो अक्कल you are completely stupid nonsense you are stealing or people are dying. So now why I am saying, because the three dogs they are discussing these things. Nowadays no one giving food to us. Understand? And Indian dogs will be running here and there. If they will get something from dustbin or here, then can eat. But now lockdown. Understand? No one on the street, no one throwing anything. And so three dogs, they discuss this way. And 3-4 days, we are completely hurt. Bhuka means hungry. Because no one throwing food on the road. Even nobody is coming on the road. So how will get? So three dogs there. That way they go. So nice smell coming from this park. Or maybe the Sergi, I already told that Sergi, he arranged very nice, beautiful marriage ceremony of his daughter. This. But sweet smell coming, basmati rice, Dudesar rice, one kind of rice that is called, what is the name? Dudesar. Dudesar means one kind of like very small one. But when you cooked, there is so sweet smell coming. If you go Bengal, this types of rice. And another rice is called Govinda Bhog. Govinda Bhog means that rice, before they also only cooked for Govinda. So for this regard, that rice name is called also Govinda Bhog. You understand? And here is delicious and this rice. So sweet smell, many kinds of and preparation, sweet smell, laddu, kachori, mohan bhog, Indian different, and manthar, and jalebi, and many kinds of sweet smell. So three dogs, they're thinking what to do now. We are not invited. So how we will enter in that place? And three dogs, they discuss these things. And that time one, what is called? Tamaguni dog. Tamaguni dog, understand? And Tamaguni dog, he told, we'll try. Why not? Understand? If you try, maybe we'll be successful our endeavors. Then Tamaguni dog, he also running here and there, and outside looking where is the gate, one small hole. Then Tamaguni dog, he saw one small hole. How to enter inside. That time just Tamaguni dog, he also put his head, or his mouth, and rolling this way. Then very nice, beautiful, big hole coming. Then he came and jumped and entered in the place. Understand? Then when he saw, there is the first ground, what is it called?
Ground floor.
Ground floor. That time he think, many kinds of delicious food are there. Then he jumped, then he just running. In the meantime, security guard came. Security guard saw, hey, why the dog is come? Then security guard took one, security guard took one, what is called? No, hot water, hot water, throw to the dog. Understand it? Then dog come, and running, and again ran away from that the hole. So other two dogs are waiting. Rajaguna and Tamaguna dog, Rajaguna and Satyaguna dog, they are waiting. Hey, just you enter and go. Then he told very nice. I entered, then they gave me very hot food. They were saying this garam garam khila diya. Garam garam, understand? And the government also is saying every day you have to drink hot water and warm water you have to drink. If you have to control the COVID, what is called virus. What is called?
Yeah, virus.
And you have to every day drink hot water. And then the hot water little bit put what is called some colon, what is called? Not turmeric, another is called gulmarich. Black pepper.
Oh, black pepper.
Black pepper, no, without grinding,
Without grinding, whole.
whole. And long, what is called long? Long don't, you know what is called?
Cinnamon.
Cinema.
Canel.
And little bit sugar, then you can drink. Then and you protect from and
Coronavirus.
coronavirus. Understand? Everybody have to drink this one. Okay, so now coming to this, so that black dog, he told, I entered and they gave me
Garam garam.
garam garam. Garam garam means is what? They also beat me with
Hot water.
hot water too. And that time other two dogs, you think, okay, very nice. And I have to go. Then another Rajaguna dog, he entered. Rajaguna dog is thinking, I will not eat the ground floor. I must go in where? Special guest. Understand? Special guest, special guest also, maybe special food are there also.
Yeah.
Then he jumped and come in the special guest section, floor. In the same way, same security guard said, hey, again you have come. Then he took one burning stick and bitterly beat him. And then he also running and again come out. Then two dogs again asked, hey, just to enter, how you come back? You know, they gave me very nicely, garam garam. There you repeat bitter. Then third dog, Satvik dog is thinking, I will go, I have to go also. Then he jumped and coming. Third floor, where the I told which guest?
VIP.
VP. As a minister level people, they are not eating. Understand? And they are just coming in the celebration, celebrate, and just they also bye they this and giving blessing, then going. And then they also package many things and put in their car, VIP car, and understand? They are not taking anything on their own hand. Understand? Okay. So the dog is thinking must be very nice and expensive, delicious food. When he came there, again that security guard again came in the third floor, then the same dog has come. Then he thinking must be this dog again and again coming, must be someone, our relatives and guest dog. Then for this regard, that person, security guard also tied the dog with the rope and put it here. Then because the dog contaminated, here for this regard. Then everybody ate, then later they little bit feed and the food, the dog and kicked out. Then he had the outside two dogs, Rajaguna and Tamaguna, they are waiting. What happened? 2 hours passed, he did not come. After 2-3 hours, then that dog came. Satik dog came. That the dog said, "Hey, why are you so late?" Do you know? I entered in there. They have so much love and affection with me. They don't want
So let me go.
let me to go. So for this regard everything, because I am their best chief guest. They feed very nicely. Actual, what is the purport about these things? If you have come in this material world, you are sattvic person or rajasic person, tamasic person. Then you have to suffer the three folds of Maya. This is called Maya Jagat. This is the nature of this material world. Maya Jagat Svabhav. You are sadhu or asadhu. You will suffer or not? Maya Devi, she will give punishment. So no one to stay in this material world. Chalo.
Chalo.
Where will go? Golok Vrindavan. Back to God,
Back to home.
back to home. So here also saying this word, Sarve bhavantu sukhino, Sarve santu niramaya. Everybody become free from all kinds of disease, dukkha. What is dukkha? Distress, unhappiness. Maya's threefolds of Maya. Trigunatman Maya. You will suffer or not? So what will do? Go back home, quick. Sarve bhadrani pasyantu. Always you see everywhere the auspiciousness. What is the auspiciousness? Subha Mangal. What is the Subha Mangal? And Harinam. And everybody, you see, everybody have to chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is the meaning, a perfect meaning of Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu. Understand? Harinam. If you are not chanting holy names, how possible to get the auspiciousness? These things. So when you are doing what is called Mangal, Swasti Vachan, that one mantra is also there. What mantra? No, Mangalam. Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu Tamasu Ma Jatirgamaya. Tamasu Ma Jatirgamaya. What do you say? Tamasu Ma Jatirgamaya? Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu. And Tamasu Ma Jatirgamaya. Don't enter in Maya. Darkness. This is the thing. Tamaso ma jatirgamaya. Tamaso ma. Don't enter in darkness. Jatirgamaya. And you have to go. Jati means
Towards the light.
light. What is the light? The divine called Radha and Krishna. That is called effulgence of the body of and Krishna. That is called light. So Vedas, Upanishad also saying, Tamaso ma. Ma means not. Tamu means andhakar. That is called darkness. Maya. Tamaso ma. Jatir gamaya. You have to go. Jati. Jati means prakash. Enlightenment. And what is the enlightenment? Perform bhajan sadhana to divine called Radha and Krishna. So he's saying the Tamaso ma Jatir gamaya. So he is saying the Sarve Bhadrani Pasantu. You see everybody auspiciousness. And how will see everybody auspicious? If you chant holy names. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavit. Don't you see to share with others and unhappiness. Everybody is happiness, so no need to share others unhappiness. So here this word is sabi. किसी को दुख भागी न बनना पड़े. And this is Kali Yuga. Welcome to New Year's. Navavarsh Hardik Shubhakavanam. And Mubarak. They are saying this.
Mubarak?
Feminine. Sukriya.
Don't share unhappiness? What do you mean with don't share?
Don't share. Don't you see to share others' unhappiness.
Don't wish to share?
Don't wish to share to others' unhappiness. That means nobody unhappy. So how to share? Saying this word. Understand? These are negative words. Saying this way. No need to see the people are unhappy. See everybody is what?
Happy.
Happiness. You understand? So here, so Navavarsha means is what? We will give with this way.
Welcome.
Welcome. How to perform bhajan and sadhana. And yesterday I told everybody have to make account. What account? Bank account. Understand? In bank, how much money you have? Finish. Only credit, what is called?
Credit.
Credit card.
Yes.
What is that? Aparad, offenses. That is called the credit card is what is that? Offenses. In your account, no money. But your credit card, you are taking money. That means as offenses. Understand? Don't commit any offense. Aparad se mukta. And especially 3 offenses you have to consider yourself. What are the 3 offenses? Satang Ninda. Don't criticize any sadhu, Vaishnava. Satang Ninda. And second, don't you think Krishnanam equal Sivanam. Krishnanam is unique and unparalleled. Or third, Guru Avagga. Don't dishonor to Gurudev. Do you understand? This is very important. One day I told, generally disciple, they not criticize their Guru. But Kali Yuga possible also. How they are stupid nonsense, rascal. Criticize also Guru. No. Don't criticize Guru. Understand? This is very important. So for this regard, third point, that is called Guru Avagga. So at the one somebody saying, Jodi dekho Guru kabhi विक्रय तथा तथापि गुरु न करो अवज्ञा कदाचन श्री गुरु चरण पद आश्रय करियो आश्रय करिया बंद श्री गुरु चरण जहा होते मेरे भाई कृष्ण प्रेम you are not reading this book song and everybody have to যদি দেখো গুরুর কবি বিক্রয় কখন
গুরু বিক্রিয় যদি দেখা কখন তথাপি অভাগ্য নাহি কারো কদাচন if you ever see
loudly read
Portuguese
everybody read.
Então esse verso está falando que se você
take mic maybe they not listening Hari Bol.
Chaitanya.
He is not working. Hare Krishna.
Chaitanya. Haribo. Então, se você de alguma maneira enxergar um comportamento que aparentemente seja diferente no seu guru, mesmo assim você não deve negligenciar ele de qualquer maneira. If you see some aberrant behavior in Shri Guru still, you should not neglect him at any time.
Hare Nityananda Prabhu, Akhanda Guru Tattva, Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda actually he has no any fault because he is Bhagavan. Nityananda Tattva means Bhagavat Tattva. Hari Bol. Okay, no. Chalo. Nityananda Tattva, that is called Bhagavat Tattva, Baladev Tattva.
No what?
Is it all? Nityananda Tattva means Guru Tattva or Bhagavat, Baladev Tattva, Akhanda Guru Tattva, undivided Gurudev Tattva, Baladev Prabhu. Understand? So he could not criticize Guru Padma. Just I tell Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told one very nice beautiful story. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sajanandan Gaur Hari, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. That time, one Brahman came and met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That Brahman, he was classmate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed this Leela, Vidya Vilas Leela. You understand? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu learning Shastra from Gangadas Pandit. Yes. So that Brahman, he came and met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri. Many years passed, so that Brahman, he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pleased with him and gave some prasad and sit in front of him and spoke very nice, beautiful, sweet pastimes of Krishna. So then after that Brahmana, he told, "Hey Gaur Sundar, I have faith with you. Because you followed all the rules and regulations of society. Varnashram Dharma. Especially you followed the Varnashram Dharma. And before you were Brahmachari, then Grihastha, then Sannyas. And you followed all the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma. And you also took birth in Brahman family, Mishra. You understand? So, I have faith with you. But I have no faith with Nityananda. Because Nityananda's behavior completely opposite. He born in Brahman family. Also Nityananda Prabhu, he born Brahman family. Hadai Pandit, his father's name was Hadai Pandit. Mother's name Padmavati Devi. And born in Ekachakraka. So, but Nitai, he did not follow all the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma. First he was Brahmachari, then he became Sannyasi, then he gave up sannyas, then Grihastha, and he married 2 wives also. Understand? Where they? Janava and Vasudha. And Nityananda, now in his Grihastha, but he declared he is the rich person. and he wears very nice, beautiful, and silken and gorgeous clothes. And बड़े लोग बोली तारी सभी गाय. Everybody called him, oh, he is very rich person. And I did not see any Vaishnava etiquette. The Brahman he told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I did not see any symptom of Vaishnava. Nityananda. And he holds the golden stick on his hand, chewing the betel nuts. Very nice, beautiful, what is it called? Curling hair, and kunchita kesam. For this regard, I have no faith with Nityananda. And when heard this, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey, stop, don't speak too much. I listen from your mouth, and what is called? Ninda of Nityananda, blasphemy of Nityananda. Don't tell too much, listen. Because our Shastra is saying, if one who criticizes to Guru, you have to take bath in the river with your
All the clothes.
with the cloth, all the clothes.
Tem que tomar banho no rio.
Understand? Sabastra Ganga Snan karna chahiye. You understand? So Mahaprabhu in this way told, hey, my classmate, listen, don't speak too much, don't blaspheme to Nityananda Prabhu. Hey Brahman, I tell you about Nityananda Tattva. Mahaprabhu himself glorified about Nityananda. Hey Brahmana, you are my class friend, and so I have some love and affection with you. For this regard, I will tell you very secret and philosophy to you. That is called Deva Goppa. You know, Deva Goppa, which are very confidential things. And I will tell you Deva Goppa Katha. You know, Nityananda Prabhu is direct manifestation of Lord Bhagavat Tattva. Mahaprabhu himself told. Nityananda Prabhu, he is not ordinary person. Understand? He is Guru Tattva also. Akhanda Guru Tattva. Already saying Nityananda Tattva means Akhanda Guru Tattva, Akhanda Baladev Tattva. And he is not different from Krishna. Baladev Prabhu means here. And Krishna's Abhinna Tanu. Abhinna Tanu, understand? Not different from the body of Krishna. And Abhinna Tanu. And there are no difference between Krishna and Balram. And Keval Kai Matra Bhed. And all the bodies are. Soul is one, but two bodies. Krishna is blackish, and Baladev Prabhu is white color. This. And but both are also Bhagavad Tattva. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Brahmana, you are my class friend. For this regard, I am saying to you very confidential Tattva about Nityananda Tattva. Nityananda Tattva is Issa Tattva, Bhagavad Tattva. As like Krishna says to Uddhava, Acharyamang Vijanyat Navanne Kahichit Na Marta Buddha Sweet Sarvo Devo Mayo Guru. Acharyamang Vijanyat Navanne Kahichit Na Marta Buddha Sweet Sarvo Devo Mayo. And only thing Acharya Dev Bhagavan Guru Padma, not different from Krishna. Understand? This thing. Satsa Dharitrena Samastra Sastrai Ruptastata Bhataiva Sadhini Kintu Prabhurja Priyaiva Tassa Bande Guru Sri Charana Ravindam Sangsara Dava नलनीललोकम् प्राणाय कारुण्य गण गणयत्रम् रक्षसकल्याण गुणार्णवस्य वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणरविन्दम् महाप्रभुर्कीर्तन नित गीत हरित मार्दन मनसरसेन रोमाञ्चकं पशुतरङ्गबाजो वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणरविन्दम् नित्यनाना शृङ्गारतर मन्दिर मज्जनादो युक्तस्य भक्तस्य नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणरविन्दम् Why you disturb? One slogan, they're mixing. Chaturveda Sri Bhagavat Prasad Sadhavannate. But we are going in a Nikunja Juna Saksa Saksha Samasta Sastri Ruktas Tata Bhav Bhateva Sadvi Kintu Prabhurja Priyavatashya Vande Guru Sri Charana. Okay, Guru Vastak, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pal, and composed this verse. And what Srimad Bhagavatam and other Shastras say. And same thing also Vishwanath Chakravarti Pal and explained in Guru Vastak. And the Saksad Hritana Samasta Shastri Ruktastada Bhav Bhataiva Sadvi Kintu Prabhurja Priyavatashya Vande Guru Sri Charana. And Guru Tattva and Bhagavad Tattva is same actually. And Krishna is called Visaya Vigraha, and Guru Padma is called Asraya Vigraha. And the Visaya Vigraha means object of the divine love. Or Asraya Tattva, that is called the shelter of the divine love. So both are Bhagavad Tattva. So in the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told his friend, "Hey Brahmana, you are my classmate friend. So I tell you very confidential things to you. Though this is as is called Dev Gujja Tattva. Even Devatas cannot understand. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Nityananda is Bhagavad Tattva, he is Baladev Prabhu. He is direct manifestation of Krishna. And who is Bhagavan? He is beyond of all rules and regulation. These are the things, very confident things. Krishna, he performed Ras dance. Baladev Prabhu, he performed Ras dance or not? Yes. He did Ras dance. So now coming in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself quoted one verse from Srimad Bhagavatam. Hey Brahmana, Nityananda is Bhagavan. Only Krishna, he can perform Ras dance. Also Baladev Prabhu, he performed Ras dance. Means Baladev Prabhu, Bhagavad Tattva. These things. And Mahaprabhu quoted one verse. That is called Srimad Bhagavatam. What is look? Not dosaya. Those who are very powerful person, if they mistake something, you cannot look there any faults. Tejyasan gopi no dosaya. Srimad Bhagavatam. Tejyasan gopi no dosaya. That means who is a very powerful person. And if he has any fault, there are no any dosas also there. And so you should not look his fault. Jatha Vanne, give an example, as like fire. And fire burn everything and transpire in ashes. and still fire also always pure. And if you put anything in fire, fire also burn, eat everything. And complete pure. Fire will never becoming impure. In the same way, if you see external Baladev Prabhu's any or Nityananda Prabhu's any fall, don't you criticize them. Mahaprabhu is pure. So that means Guru Tattva is there. Here in this verse, what saying?
Guru Vikriya.
Guru Vikriya Jadi Dekho Kakhana Tathapi
Mukera Bhagya.
Tathapi na karo avagga kadachana. Something this. So in this way, you have to give respect Guru Padma. It's very important. Otherwise, if you criticize Gurudev, अथवा listen and Guru's ninda, blasphemy, then you will go hell, Narakami. It's very important. So saying the Guru Ninduker Mok Kabuna Heriva Jata Hai Guru Ninda Tathana Jaiva. This is very important. One who criticizes the Guru should not step or feet in there. So saying Jata Hai Guru Ninda Tathana Jaiva. Guru Ninduker Mok Kabuna Heriva. One who criticizes Guru never you see his face again. This is very important. Otherwise, how will you develop your bhajan and sadhana? You understand these things? So, why I am saying? Because today, 1st of January, that is called, what do you say? Navavarsa Din.
Beginning of New Year.
Beginning of the New Year. Understand this? And not only today, never also. You just think, okay, today I will not criticize to anyone. Maybe tomorrow, 2nd of January criticize. Maybe 3rd of January criticize, 4th of January criticize. No. And Navavarsa means in the New Year, in the day should not criticize to anyone. Kaharina ninda pare, Krishna Krishna pare. Ajay Chaitanya says anyway. No need to criticize to anyone. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In this is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrantu Pasanti Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhaga Bhavet. In this way you celebrate New Year. Yes. With a good Premanand. Now 8 o'clock. Okay, chance, last chance. Who has any question? What is the question?
Could you explain a little bit about, we hear that Paramatma is in the heart, and also we hear that Guru is no different from Paramatma. And also we hear that those who are in Madhurya Bhav, later on, not Paramatma will be sitting in their heart, but Radha and Krishna. So could you explain this different?
This is very simple. That is called Achinta Vidabhi Tattva Siddha. Tattva is what? Tattva is only one Tattva, not many Tattva. How many Tattva?
One.
Tattva English?
Truth, absolute truth.
Absolute truth. What is the truth? Absolute truth. For this Jiva Goswami Pad very clearly explained in his Sandarbha. Ekameva Parama Tattvam. Param Tattva, the absolute truth, only one. That is called Bhagavat Tattva. Ekameva Parama Tattvam Sahaviki Achinta Sapta. Same one tattva and absolute truth, one. But in his own, what is called, inconceivable potency, Achanta Shakti, inconceivable potency, Achanta Shakti, he manifests
Many forms.
many forms, specially manifested in 4 forms. Ekamewa paradottam sabhika Achanta Shakta, Sarupa Tadrupa Vaiva Jiva Pradhana Rupena Chaturtha Apatisthati Surja Mandala Tat Rasmi Pratichavi Rupena. Very clearly explain this way. First to understand one absolute truth, that is called Bhagavan and Bhagavad Tattva. Everything manifested from Lord. And whatever you are looking, material or transcendental, and everything is manifested from Lord. So that means Lord Krishna is called the absolutely truth. So saying Eko Meva Parama Tattvam. Eki Param Tattva. Who is that the Ekam Parama Tattva? Vedanta explains Brahma. Upanishad explain Paramatma. Advaitavadi explain Brahma. Tattva is one. Vadanti, for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam very clearly explained. Vadanti tattva vidas tattam jaj ganamadyam brahmeti paramatmati bhagavaniti sabdati. This slokas. Daskuta slokas. So, tattva is one. Same Bhagavan, Lord, he has 3 aspects. First, Brahma, effulgence, or illumination, these things. And second, Paramatma Tattva, that is called super soul, who resides in the heart of all the living entities. Or third, Bhagavan. And when he use this word, Bhagavan means is what? Bhagavano iti Bhagavano. You understand? Dhanavan. Dhanavan means who has wealth. He is called wealthy person, Dhanavan. Wealth and wealthy person difference. Do you understand? He is wealthy person. That means he has wealth. But in this material world, everything is yours, changeable. One day you are rich person, wealthy person. Maybe after a few years, you completely street beggar. Understand? Lakshmipati name. Here the people name is Lakshmipati, but he is the homeless, street beggar. That is what? Ludicrous. Laughing and joking words. Understand? In this material world, no one become Lakshmipati. Lakshmipati Narayan, Bhagavan. But those who are less intelligent saying, what is he saying? Narayan. How possible human being will become Narayan? Narayan's wife is Lakshmi. Who is the, what is it called? Presiding deity of wealth, all the wealth. And your wife has a lot of money. That means you are wealthy. Indian system, but here Western culture different. Your account and husband account different. Understand? Because there are no faith. Anytime husband will leave to you, or you also leave your husband. But in transcendental world, Lakshmi, she will never live in Narayan. And Narayan also never leave Lakshmi. Because in this material world, in this material world changeable, or body changeable. Your wife name is Lakshmi, or your name is Narayan. So one day Narayan will be die, then Lakshmi will become widow. In this matter, so possible or not possible?
Yeah.
Though your name is Lakshmi, or your husband name
Narayan.
Narayan. So one day Lakshmi, she will become widow. But transcendental not possible. Lakshmi, she will never die, and Narayan also will never die. And Lakshmi also never give up her husband Narayan, and Narayan also never give up his wife Lakshmi. Lakshmi today. So how people are saying this word, Naro Narayan? How possible human being become Narayan? This is called Mayavad philosophy. Completely what? Rubbish word. You cannot become Narayan. Lakshmi Pati Narayan. Or you are saying this? First to cut this philosophy. So now coming this way, just as Bhagavan, Dhanavan, Bhagavan, this word. So here the 6 opulence. Who has 6 opulence, he is called Bhagavan. And that 6 opulence are eternal and transcendental. Because maybe you say, I am Bhagavan because I have 6 opulence. But that is very small quantity. And understand? The 6 opulence, what are the 6 opulence? Oisarya. Vast of opulence. Oisarya. Virja. You are very powerful. Jasa. Oisarya, Virja, Jasa. Jasa means name and fame. Oisarya, Virja, Jasa. Sri. Sri means beauty. Oisarya, Jasa. Sri. Gyan means knowledge. Understand? If your brain stop, then knowledge finish.
Yeah.
Understand? One concept this is coming. That time, his memory completely what?
Vanish.
Empty.
Yeah.
Cannot remember anything. Understand? These are the things. One concept disease. They are learning so many knowledge, and very proud for his knowledge. Or when that disease coming, knowledge finish. Even ask your name,
Yeah.
nothing. He cannot remember anything. Understand? Those are doctors can ask you these things. That's very dangerous. You understand these things? So why you are proud for your knowledge? Ganet cannot karo ahankar. But Lord will never lose his knowledge memory. Oisharja, Gyan, and Sri I also did, beauty. Lord always your ever fresh, beautiful form. But human being not possible. One day your hair will become grey, and your body will become very weak. Jayati usti vardhati apakhyati vinasyati. This is the natural condition soul. But Lord will never lose his beauty. And his beauty is what? Always ever fresh. That is called Navanavayanman. You understand what is Shefala?
Navanavayanman means he is always useful and his beauty is always
Only tender ages. Navajovanancha. Advaitam Achyutanadi Ananta Rupam Vedesu Durlabh or Durlabh Atma Bhakti.
Advaita Achyutanadi Ananta Rupa Adyam Purana Purusham
Adam Purana Purusham Navajovanancha Vedesu Durlabh or Durlabh Atma Bhakti. Govindam Adevorosam Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adevorosam Tamaham Bhajami. Advaitam Achyuta Anadi Ananta Rupam. Ananta Rupa. Yet innumerable forms. You understand? The Brahma Samhita, you have learned this law. This is very important. If you want to and cut the Mayavad philosophy. This is very important sloka. And Advaitam, he is one, he is non-dual. Advaitam. Advaitam,
Achyutam.
Achyutam, he never fallible.
Never fail.
Eh?
Never fail.
Never fail. Advaitam Achyutam. Anadi, without beginning. Advaitam Achyutam Anadi.
Anantam.
Ananta Rupam. He has innumerable forms. Advaitam Achyutam Anadi Ananta Rupam.
Adyam Puranam Puranam.
Adya Purush. Adi Purush also. Anadi Purush and same time also Adi Purush. Look this thing. He is Adi Purush and also Anadi Purush. How possible? Two also contradictory words. Yes, he is Adi Purusham. Anadi. Advaitam Achyuta Anadi
Anantarupam.
Anantarupam
Adyam Purana Purusham.
Addam Purana Purusham
Navayovanam.
Navajovanancham. Navajovan. Always he is
Youthful boy.
youthful. Your father name.
My father is old good.
Your father is old. This is a nature. Body. Atma never old. So now come here. Navajovanancham. Vedesu Durlabh. Even Ved Purans not so reading Ved Purans not so easy to understand or realize to him. Vedesu Durlabh. How to realize everything? Atma Bhakti. So those devotees completely surrender lotus feet of Atma Bhakta. Who is that? Atma Bhakta. Atma means Srimati Radhika. And Krishna's Atma. Who is the Atma of Krishna? Srimati Radhika. And for this regard, Krishna is called Atmaram. Krishna always is playing with Srimati Radhika. For this regard, and Srimati Radhika, Krishna's Atma, that is called Radha. Atma Bhaktesu, who are completely surrender lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. They can understand about Adi Purush Krishna. Without surrender lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, because Srimati Radhika is the Atma of Krishna. So for this Krishna is called Atmaram. So Atma Bhaktesu. Atma Bhaktesu means those who are the devotee of Srimati Radhika. They can understand. Otherwise not. Atma Bhaktesu. So now coming is that if Bhagavan means who has 6 opulent. Oisarja, Birja, Jasha, Sri, Gyan or Vairagya. Vairagya means completely detached. Virag or Virag. B means Vishes Rag means attachment to Srimati Radhika. One who completely attachment with Srimati Radhika. There are two meanings coming. Virag means detachment. You understand? And Virag means B means Vishes Rag attachment. Vishes means special attachment. What is that? How to completely surrender and with Srimati Radhika and attached with Srimati Radhika. As like those are Manjari, they are completely attached with Srimati Radhika. They are called a real Virag. You understand this thing? So now coming this is a Bhagavan. So that means Krishna who is Bhagavan, he has 3 aspects. Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. Brahma, that is his effulgence of his body. That is called Paramatma. Brahma. These things. Najatra Surya Bhasati, Nastat Tavaka. In transcendental land there are no need sun, no need any stars, moon, nothing. And that transcendental completely, absolutely illuminated with Krishna's effulgence, toenails effulgence. Nakachandra Jati. Understand? That is Bhagavan. This thing, Upanishad also explains this. Najatra bhasati surya natavataruka. In transcendental world, no need the rays of the sun. Here when the rays of sun coming, then illuminated. But transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, no need. Just the rays of the Krishna's toenails, they are completely illuminated. Look this. Huh? Look this. Huh? So come in this. So Brahma means effulgence, the body of Lord. Brahma. Paramatma, super soul. And Krishna says, I am staying in the heart of all the living entities. And Isvara Sarvabhutanam Hiddese Arjuna Tishtati. Bhagavad Gita. Krishna says, Hey Arjun, I am Bhagavan. I am staying in the heart of all the living entities. And how? In the form of super soul, Paramatma. Understand? Because what is the duties of Paramatma? Two duties. First duty is called the witness, Sakshi. And Parameva Sakshi. Sakshi means I am the witness. What are you doing? Good, bad, I am looking, watching. Da Suparna Suja Samana Bhikhe Paisha Jati. Upanishad also explains this. This body is as like one tree. There are two branches. And understand? And one branch, the Jivatma Pakshi, the bird of soul, and another, the bird of Paramatma. So two birds are sitting in this body. They are saying this bird. And one is Jivatma Pakshi, another is called Paramatma Pakshi. Pakshi means bird. Here it is. But Paramatma is completely free from all Maya. Just he is watching, looking what you are doing. Jivatma Pakshi, the bird of soul, Sa Chaka Siti. And the Jivatma, he is suffering his own previous fruitive of action karma for. And Samujjamana, sometimes also are completely fainted. He cannot tolerate his own previous fruitive action. This are saying in this. So Paramatma's duty is what? Who resides in the heart of all the living entities. Just witness what you are doing, what you are looking, everything. Now coming this same Parama, he is saying the same Paramatma, he is also our Guru Tattva. What is the duties of Guru? Guru, he is looking at how my disciples are performing bhajan and sadhana and not. Understand? If you sit in the examination hall, the teachers, what they are doing? Guarding, watching. You are, what is called? Not, what is called?
Writing.
Some people also, students also are taking some.
Yeah. Hiding notes.
Hiding note and writing. Taking one book and writing. So for this regard, at the end, examination hall, the teacher is guarding. Watching. And he knows everything. And sometimes class teacher think, okay, let him to note. Otherwise my bad family will come. But, or if and another teacher will come, and he will not allow to you. Understand? Sometimes maybe class teacher, little bit soft with you. Okay, you have to be nonsense, my disciple, no problem. No problem. But another teacher coming, but another, what is called, inspector, and not allowed. So in the same way, he are coming away because he has Paramatma, super soul. His duty is what? Watching. And Sakshi. Witness. In the same way, Guru Padma, Gurudev, he resides in the heart of all the living entity in the form of Paramatma. Same Paramatma also, Baladev Tattva also there. Because here Krishna Tattva, Baladev Tattva same. When you completely surrender to the spirit of Paramatma, understand? Mayabadda jiver nahi Krishna smriti gyan. Chaitanya Charitamrita explains, Mayabadha Jeev, conditioned soul, they have no any idea about Krishna. So see, Mayabadha Jiver nahi Krishna smriti veda. Krishna Jiver kripay Krishna koilo Vedadi Puran. Then Lord is thinking, I have to manifest all Ved Puran for the benefit of the living entities. So same Lord, he appears in the form of Vyasadeva. Vyasadeva is also what tattva? Narayan tattva. And Vyasa Pranam also clear. Narayanam naskritam naranchava naruttam. You know this sloka, Janna? I know right. Pagal?
Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim sarasvatim vyasam
Tato jaya mudi. Very nice, good. Look this. Learn some slokas. Do you know any sloka? Just start to criticize. Oh, this good is bona fide, this good unbona fide. Everybody have to learn slokas. Then I will speak very easy. Or if you don't know anything, then Udukhai Govindai Namo. No, this sloka have to learn. You understand? Krishna Kripa. This sloka will learn. So, what did he say?
Vyasadeva.
Vyasadeva. Actually, who manifested the Ved Puran? Krishna himself. Krishna just gave his own potency, Sakti, in the heart of Vyasadeva. So Vyasadeva is called also Saktaves Avatar. Saktaves, Sakti. Lord gave his own potency, Sakti to Vyas. Vyas is called Ganavis Avatar. Narad Rishi is called which Avatar? Bhakti Avis Avatar. Different English. You read Avis Avatar. You understand these things. So Paramatma Tattva is Bhagavat Tattva is here also. A same when the Jiva's Sukriti matured, and then same Paramatma Bhagavan. Here Paramatma means Bhagavan. Achinta Bhagavan. Bhagavan manifested in front of Guru, in front of you. Guru Rupi Sikhai Apane. That time is coming same. That means now Krishna appeared in the form of Baladev Prabhu, or Baladev Prabhu manifested in the form of Guru. This simple. You understand these things? Same Paramatma in your heart are now coming. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, you was quoted one verse, Acharya Bapusha. Acharya Bapusha. Acharya Dev, Gurudev. Now he manifested in front of me. Before he was Paramatma. Because who was watching all my activities. And now he appeared in front of me as my Guru. Guru Rupe Sikhan Apane. That means when you surrender to the feet of Guru, surrender to the feet of Krishna. Generally, conditional soul, they have no first idea about Guru. First they pray to whom? Krishna. But Krishna is saying, I will not give mercy to you. First you receive mercy from Guru. As like Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj, he was searching Guru. He is searching Krishna. Krishna is saying, I will not give darshan to you. First you shelter and the feet of your Guru. But how will you get Guru? Dhruva, how did he get Guru? High class Guru, Narad Rishi. Do you know? Krishna himself. And inspired to Narad Rishi. Then Narad Rishi came. Because Dhruva, he was hankaring. How will attain to Lord? How will take darshan to Lord? Bhagavad darshan. Because his stepmother, Suruchi told, if you want to sit on the lap of your father, Rajgaddi, you have to worship Narayan. So he thinking, how will get Narayan? He did not, Dhruva, he did not thinking, I will take shelter and lotus feet of Guru. Because this is the teaching. This generally is what? Conditional soul. They are thinking how to get Lord. It's the nature. They worship to Thakurji. This is true. That is Bhagavan. And a same Bhagavan appear in front of Guru. He will not give respect because he has no idea. So Dhruva Maharaj, he was searching how to attain God, Narayan. But Lord is thinking, Binu Guru Bhavanadi Tarena Koi, Jo Birinchi Sama Hoi. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru, you cannot attain to Lord. Even you have knowledge, vast of knowledge as like Brahma and Shiva. So saying, this verse, Tulsidas very clear. Binu Guru Bhavanidhi Taryo na koi, jo Birinchi Sankar Samah. Birinchi means Brahma, Sankar means Shiva. If you have vast knowledge of Brahma or Shiva, you cannot attain to Lord. Because the door completely locked. Understand? One is called lock, and key in the pocket of Guru. Understand? So that means Krishna. So for this regard, Lord Narayan, he inspired in the heart of Narada Rishi. Then Narada Rishi met with Dhruva. Then Narada Rishi, he gave mantra to Dhruva Maharaj. Then Dhruva Maharaj, he chanted this mantra and performed hard austerities. Then after 6 months, he got darshan to Lord Narayan. This mentioned Bhagavatam, no? This thing. Whatever you do, go. But without the mercy of Guru, any method, you cannot attain your highest perfection. You cannot take darshan to Lord. And 1,000 times you curse your head on the floor, if Bhagavan give darshan, no. हजारों बार आप सिर को यदि मिट्टी पर कूटते रहे, भगवान दर्शन नहीं दे. When Lord will give darshan? When you completely surrender to Guru Path. Because Lord already locked the door. Locked. And the key Lord also gave to in the hand of Guru. So who will open the door? Krishna. Because Krishna says, I have no key. I already gave this key to your Guru. This is true. You criticize to Guru or do anything. You thinking I criticize to Guru and attain to Lord. Stupid nonsense rascal. Impossible. Not possible. Haru rushte guru trata. Or Guru rushte no question. If Lord unpleased with you, then Guru survive to you and survive to Lord. And if Guru unpleased with you, no one can help you. Even Krishna also not, because Krishna will tell these words. Already I locked the door and that key I get to Guru. I did not keep in my pocket. Krishna says or not? Oh, what will you do? You have to take shelter. Let us fear Guru. These things. So those who criticize to Guru should not associate with him. He is already offended. Aparadh. Aparadhi jane Krishna kripa kare na tare. Very carefully. So that is the Paramatma. So Paramatma manifested in form of Guru. Guru rupe tatta janai apane. The same Paramatma. Then second, you are saying, what is that?
About also that we hear those who are in Madhurya Bhav, Radha and Krishna are sitting in their heart.
Yeah, because he's a Achinta Vedaved Tattva, I told. Inconceivable potential Tattva is there. Lord is one, but his potential is there. Krishna is one. But Krishna actually not he is one. He is called Shaktiman. And he always staying with his own Shakti. But who is Shakti? Sarva Shakti, Srimati Radhika. If you are Madhurya devotee, Madhurya Ras, if you are potential Madhurya, then same Paramatma manifest in front of you. About Divine Guru Radha and Krishna, Jugal Sarkar. Same Guru manifest in front of you. One day I told, are there? Guru Rupa Manjari. Guru Rupa Sakit Dhan. You learn or not? Oi, who learn? Fala.
Radha Samukha Samsakti,
हाँ,
Saki Sanga Nivasini, Tamaham Satatam Vande, Guru Rupa Param Sakti.
Guru Rupa Param.
Sakti.
हाँ, good. Only. You have to learn this. And other you will become Manjari. Rasgulla Manjari, Jamun Manjari, Jalebi Manjari, Kachuri Manjari. Even you have no idea Guru Rupa Sakhi's Manjari, then nothing. At least learn this sloka, then not. Follow this meaning.
English ou português?
Português fala.
Então, eu sempre adoro. Eu sempre adoro Shri Guru na sua forma exaltada de Saki, que está sempre na companhia de Shri Radha e das outras Sakis.
Brajanath and Vijay Kumar. Both they took initiation from one Guru. Brajanath and Vijay Kumar. Both they received same mantra, not different mantra. Guru gives same mantra or not? Gopal mantra, Gayatri mantra, everything is same. But Brajanath, Sakkharas, he served to Krishna under guidance of Subal, herding the cows. Then he looks, my Gurudev is as like Sakha. Simple, Jayavadhan explained not. You read Jayavadhan. And Vijay Kumar, Madhurya Ras, conjugal mode. And he always thinking, they serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Lalita Sakhi. And so in the same way, Guru is one, Akhanda Tattva, Guru Tattva. Then you can realize this way. And according your potential of your soul, Atma is there. Doing bhajan sadhana manifest, then you realize. Good Premanand. Remember this. Learn this. Ekameva Paramatattam Savikachinta Sakta. Only one absolute truth. But one, what is it called? Achinta Sakti, inconceivable potency. In inconceivable potency, Lord manifested in four forms. Sarup, Tadrubhaiva, Jeev and Prakriti. Swayamrup, he manifested in four forms. And understand what are the four forms? Bhagavan and his Tadrup Vaibhav, Baladev Prabhu, or his incarnation. And he is also Jiva Shakti. He manifested and all the Jivas from his and Tasha Shakti, marginal potential. And also Maya. Maya coming from where? Lord was. Ekameva Padasabhya Sarupa Tadrupa Jiva Pradhana Rupena. Surja Mandala Tad Rosmi Pratichavadi Rupena. Give an example as like sun. And many also are. What is called? Stars. Planets. Actually, this is coming from Big Bang. What do you call?
Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang theory. Explain this way. So in the same way, all the avatars, incarnation of Lord, they are non-different from Krishna. But Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is also important. Ete changsa kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Swayam Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan. Bhagavat Tattva. Or Jivas, the marginal potency of Lord. Jivas manifested from Krishna's Tasya Shakti. Or fourth, Maya. Maya coming from also Krishna. Surya Mandala, Tadrusmi. Here the rays of the sun compared with the Jivas, living entities. Our reflection, that is called Maya. Understand this? So this is called Achinta Veda Bhed Tattva Sagato Vijatya Bhed Rahita Brahma. When we discuss this philosophy, what is Brahma? What is Brahma? Brahma क्या है? न सगत सजातीय विजातीय भेद रहित ब्रह्म है. Remember what is it? Follow. Many times I've told you, forget every time.
Three kinds of apparent different, but actually not different.
Non-different. Sagata. There are no any different limbs and body of Krishna. That means Krishna, Lord, He can perform all His activities, His own any limbs and body. He can see with His eyes. He can eat with His eyes. He can walk with His eyes. Any limbs and body. There are no difference. Sajatiya. All the incarnation of Lord Krishna, they are non-different from Krishna also. And Bhedvaita means non-different. Understand? There are no difference between Ram, Krishna, Nisringa, Kalki Avatar. Ishware Bhed manile hoit ahai aparad. If you think Ramchandra is another Bhagavan, or Krishna is another Bhagavan, or Nisringa Devi is another Bhagavan, that is called offense, aparad. Ishware Bhed manile hai aparad. Lord is one. And now coming is Sagata Vijati Bhed. Or Vijatiya Maya. Maya completely what? Different from Krishna. But why? Because Sakti. Maya Sakti. Sakti Mato Dayo Aveda. There are no difference between Sakti and Saktiman. All Sakti is manifested with Chit Sakti, Jeev Sakti, Maya Sakti. All Sakti is manifested from here. Krishna. Because Krishna is called Saktiman. So Maya coming from where? Maya coming from Krishna. So maybe you want to think how possible Maya completely opposite to Krishna. You understand philosophy? Jahan Krishna tahan nahi Maya adhikar. Where is Krishna, there is no Maya. But how possible Maya manifested from Krishna? So for the Vedanta Sutra explains Jatha Urnabha. Yatha Urnabha. What? Urnabha means that is called
Touchstone.
Touchstone. Urnabha means Makada. What is called? Those are English words. Those are making the nets, webs.
Making net.
What is it called? What is just English word? I know. Here is they are making spider. How to explain? Look these things. The spider, he makes the net web.
Spider web.
He coming from where? For his own saliva, for his own mouth. Sometimes you can see when the a spider falling down from his own webs or net. Then again he also had taken shelter his own saliva and coming up and aiming it down and keeping his own side inside. Because because that saliva coming from his own body. And again he also throwing and again putting inside. So is Bhagavan in his inconceivable potential, Achintya Shakti, Maya also manifested from him. Mahaprabhu gave this example. How possible Maya? Because he is saying this verse, Jaha Krishna taha nahi Maya adhikar. Where is Krishna? There is no Maya, no darkness. Krishna Surya Sama, Maya hoy andhakar. Jaha Krishna taha nahi Maya adhikar. Krishna as like blazing or delightful rays of the sun. Always illuminated. Or where is the completely illumination, rays of sun. So there are not possible to darkness. Because at a time two things cannot stay together. Darkness and light cannot stay together. Ravi Rajani Kabhu Nahe Rahe Ek Tham. The rays of the sun or darkness cannot stay together. But how possible these things also? Maybe a question will come. For this regard, Vedanta, Mahaprabhu also tell these things. Jatha Purnabha. As like spider. Look at it. So possibly impossible, possible. So Maya coming from Maya Shakti also. And another Maya meaning is Kripa. Maya Kripa iti Dambhe. Maya means mercy also. Krishna, his chastisement with his Maya to the living entities. Why? This is also mercy. Chastisement means is what? This is also mercy. That means how to remove all the anarthas. There are so many examples here. So, Abhinna, non-difference from Krishna, because Sakti Saktiman or the Abhido. Maya coming from where? This way. This is things. There are many examples, because all the examples not appropriate with the transcendental things. Atmavai jayate putraha. Atmavai jayate putraha. Son is coming from where? From the body of father. So there are, in this sense, there are no difference between father and son. Atmavai jayate putra. So for this, my son and myself is non-difference. But here is difference. Father is the husband of mother. A son is the son of mother. Difference or no? But in this sense, is Atma Bhi Jayate Putraha. Sometimes when there's so much love and affection, that time use this word also. We say, oh, he is my friend. This friend is non-different from me. If you give these things to him, that means I received from you also. You understand? If you think this friend is my very close friend, you give to him, that means I received from you. Same. But both persons completely different or not? So in the same way, sometimes difference and sometimes non-difference. Bhed and Abhed. That is called Bhedabhed Tattva. And now using this word, Achinta Bhedabhed Tattva. How possible? Maya is completely non-different from Krishna and darkness and is coming from Krishna. How possible? But these are many examples given. Because transcendental things, only one example cannot understand. And everything is what? Not appropriate also. So for this one by one. Some examples are partly, for this regard giving example. And Angsik, Udaharan. And partly example. Where they are little bit similar, that's why I get told, Atma Jayate Putraha. Father and son, both is also very they are also very near and dearest to each other. So for this regard saying, this son is not different from me, this friend is not different from me. Are difference or not?
Yes.
Also difference. So this is a even in this material also there is Achintata Bhed and Abhed. These things. Then Mahaprabhu Achinta Bhed again also explained. How possible Brahma Vikar. That is called the doctrine of transformation. Because Shastra is saying Brahma completely avikari, never transform. And without transform, how possible create this material world, all these things? विकार से सृष्टि होता है. क्या बोला?
To create, there is need of transformation.
And if you want to create, need is what? Transformation. So how Brahma? Though Brahma is Nirvikar, Shastra saying this. So how Brahma he creates? How possible? How does he create? So saying, then Mahaprabhu told, the Achinta Tattva, Brahma has Achinta Tattva. What is that? Though Brahma is Nirvikar, without transformation, but he creates. Well, how possible? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave 3 examples. What are the 3 examples?
Mantra, Mani, Aushadhi.
Mani, mantra, Aushadhi. As a touchstone. Touchstone creates the thousand gold. But touchstone not transfer in gold. अपने निर्विकार होकर भी सृष्टि कर रहे हैं. What is it? You know, that same thing, just I different way tell to you. Touchstone and parsimony. Parsimony touch the iron, then iron transfer in gold. But touchstone not transfer in gold. You don't say? विकार प्राप्त नहीं है. Touchstone is not transformation, but touchstone transform the iron in gold. You understand? So in the same way, Achintatta Bhagavan, Brahma. Though Brahma is Nirakar, though Brahma is called Nirvises. What is called? Nirvikar. But he creates. How this is Achinta Sakti. Mahaprabhu explained this way. Read Chaitanya Charitamrita, the dialogue between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Prakashananda Saraswati or Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Discuss these things. So, possible, impossible. Possible is impossible. Only Bhagavan. Gopimanandi. Understand or not? Long philosophy, deep philosophy I speak, but how much you accept? According your adhikar, you may accept. But again and again listen, then you
understand.
But you are listening or not? When you speaking Harikatha, no phone.
So she is listening translation.
Okay. Otherwise listening I am very angry. When Harikatha, don't close your eyes. At least don't close your eyes. And don't watch your Facebook. Understand? Otherwise no need that person. And now is COVID-19, so no need to much people, stupid nonsense. Those who want to watch their own phone, go outside and sit outside and close the door. Understand? And now everything lockdown. Okay, only qualified person come and unqualified person go. That is also Sampalu the Prabhu also are
locked in the door.
Locked in the door. No need to come. It is better to give the space for gentle person, how is it called? And gentleman who can listen. Those who have no interest to listen, no need to come. No need to. This is a good idea or not? How to become attentive. Attentive listener. And one hand COVID-19 is good result. Only qualified person can come, unqualified person
Stay out.
go out, take prasad and go. Chalo. That is a good idea, no? Sometimes you glorified, COVID-19 is good. Maybe 40%, 30%, 30 people will come, 0 people will come, no problem. Only those who want to
listen.
Want to listen come. Those who want to listen come, they can go outside, take Mahaprasad, Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. I said, this is good idea, not? Less people listen, Harikatha. Understand? And if you late, you cannot enter. Examination hall. When the bell comes, here not, India this thing. Then, when the examination is going on, Pariksha, 3 hours, complete, lock the door. If you 1 minute, 1 second you late, you cannot enter. And you lose your paper, giving paper. Next year you appear. Wait for 1 year. Understand? So that means what? You have to come and early lockdown. In your school or college, this one not. I don't know here you. Now you coming later, okay, I come later, give you paper, I write. Right? Get out. You cannot enter also there. Here same rule or not?
Some schools you can enter later, but mostly if tests, then if you're not on time, then you cannot enter.
For India, no?
No any chance.
No any chance. Understand? The examination will be start 11 and AM. You have to come 11 and before 11 AM. Just 11 AM. That time they also lock the door. Understand? You cannot go or you cannot come in. You think, okay, this is a hard paper, maybe I'll go out, but 3 hours sit here.
3 hours.
Another punishment.
Lockdown.
Lockdown. Understand? Chalo. Okay, listen again and again, listen. Sruvatang, Sruvatang, Nittang. Or the slow. Sruvatang, Sruvatang, Nittang, Gyatang, Gyatang, Nittang. Chaitanya Charitamrita, this slow, composed by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami things. Check internet. Sruvatang, Sruvatang, Nittang.
Here my internet not working.
Oi, Roni.
Internet funciona aqui?
I don't know this verse.
Internet.
Here there's no internet.
There is no internet.
Only in the house. We are not
Here?
live.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's only recording, making video, and later we can try to upload.
So yesterday you did not upload?
No, Achuta, she went to the hotel. I think she might have uploaded until now, but today when I woke up, she hadn't still uploaded.
Oh.
That's why maybe, I don't know if you want, but morning class, if you, I don't know, somewhere there, because then we can live stream. Here is not possible.
Here is not coming.
For final.
Yeah, signal cannot reach here.
Oh.
Halfway only.
In the morning I did the Mangalarati live stream, but I don't know how, but very slow internet, I could do it, then disappeared after that.
Signal is very weak here.
Maybe rain coming also. Cloudy.
Yeah.
Top of the mountain, many regions. Many regions, no regions, every regions, all regions. Chalo. Gur Premanand. Jai Jagannath ki Jai.